We challenge you to a game of Experts Challenge.
Oh, why didn't you ask me sooner? We accept.
Okay. Hey, there we go. Okay, so Experts Challenge, you've never heard of this before, right? Because it's a new game to us. Yay! Yeah, so Experts Challenge, the way this game works is that these two, you guys are going to choose who you send in. Oh, just kidding, it's all of you. It's all of us, never mind. Okay, so it's everyone. The way that it works is that one of these guys will be stepping up as an expert on something. At any time, if the other team ever finds something that's not correct about the facts that they are giving, or that the expert does not know what they're talking about, they will say, "Objection!" And then I will hear what they are objecting to. And if it's a valid reason, I will either sustain them, and they will go in, or I will say overruled, and the person that is continuing up here will keep talking, okay, until another objection is found. This game goes for 5 minutes exactly. And whoever is the expert that is up here at the end of 5 minutes, that team will be the winner, whoever team they are on. So, can I get something that these lovely people are an expert on? Microwave popcorn. So excited about the microwave popcorn. Yes. Oh man. I can't not give it to him. He was like this for it. Okay, so 35 minutes. We're gonna have Kristen go first. Sue goes first. Your 5 minutes starts now.
Microwave popcorn is a very fine art. You have to make sure. Usually it's 2 minutes. It depends on the size of the bag and a lot of
Challenge. What? It's food, not art. It's overruled.
Food is art, if you were asking me. The art of popcorn.
I was not asking her.
Oh, we weren't sustained.
Have you ever asked a question and people just totally disregard your answer completely? Or like, they're just like, hey, I'm going to ask you a question. And you're like, bye. It's because like people don't care about you. People don't care about me. People don't care about you.
Objection.
I care about you.
Sure, sustained.
I care about the face so much that I'm totally willing to say anything I want to get into the center stage. That's right, because I'm going to teach you the art of being savage. It's all about
I know for a fact B.C. is not savage.
Did B.C. savage enough? Overruled.
Challenge!
Yeah.
That was
not savage.
Someone who's savage goes, yay! No! That's not what savage is about. Savage is about being as harsh and as cruel as possible to get what you want.
Challenge!
Yeah?
Savage is uncultured, not being cruel and harsh.
Sustained!
Back in the olden days when people were uncivilized and had no government whatsoever.
Challenge! We're uncivilized now.
And I'm here and I'm loud, I'm saying stuff.
He's not actually.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry.
Challenge! She's not saying anything!
Brag about it more. Yeah, he's bragging. Yeah.
So it's meant to be we have a team, right? It's not just a solo thing. So even though I'm up here, I'm fighting for my team. So you shouldn't come up here and be like, me.
Challenge! It's face team.
Yes, so I'm here representing my team, and I'm here to prove to you why my team, Soup, is the best.
Challenge.
Yeah.
Soup is not pronounced soup.
Once again, as I've been so rudely interrupted many times, why my team is the best, and that starts with our leader, Faith. Isn't Faith just great? We're all funny. All right.
Challenge. Yes. I'm not funny. Yeah.
Remember that first scene when I said a thing and you guys were like, yeah, he's saying stuff. And it was like, ha, I was not funny.
Challenge! I thought he was very funny.
You don't have opinion. No. Yes, you do.
Opinions are great because really, what are they? Exactly.
Challenge! He does not know what he's talking about. What you talk about is really important. If you're going to be on stage, you have to kind of act confident, even if you don't know what you're talking about. Let's be really
Challenge! Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking
Yes,
about.
you do.
Challenge! He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Not like me, he does does know what he's talking about, especially when it comes to the subject of bandanas. These things are both the best and the worst things ever invented. They're super stylish, but hard to keep
Challenge!
on. Yeah.
They are not stylish enough.
Depends on the person overruled.
But they are very hard for me as a person to keep on. And I'm here to teach you the art of putting on a bandana very poorly. You see, all you do is you do the shoelace knot, but you don't look at it.
Challenge!
It's not called a shoelace knot.
Yes, it's not.
It's
Wasting time!
I am wasting time. Get up here.
Time wasted is college, okay? Time wasted, money wasted.
I'm learning things. That's not a waste of time.
No, you're not. Oh.
Bunch of whack jobs talk about how they're not.
Challenge!
Yeah.
We are improvers, not whack jobs!
Yes, we're not that much whack jobs. Yeah, come on.
You can be a whack job and you can be an improver, but you can't be a whack job improver.
Challenge!
Yeah.
She doesn't know what a whack job is.
Wait, what's whack job?
It's me!
She's not a whack job.
Hey, get in there.
Faith is not a whack job. She's a wonderful human being, and I love her dearly.
Challenge!
Yeah.
That is false!
Overruled.
Like I said, Faith is amazing, and she's up here, and I love her dearly. And I'm just gonna hug her after.
Continue to brag about. Everybody's great, and I love them, but I'm not going to sit here.
Counter challenge. He was not bragging. He was talking her up respectfully.
Overruled.
I don't sit up here for 28 minutes and go, wow, isn't everybody great?
Challenge! It's not been 28 minutes.